What happens when the person sworn to protect you becomes the one putting lives in danger? When does the badge meant to stand for justice turn into a symbol of recklessness? On the afternoon of April 27, 2018, a quiet neighborhood in New Jersey turned into a scene straight out of disbelief. People on Breakwater Road watched in fear as a truck swerved wildly, nearly crashing multiple times. Concerned neighbors quickly called the police, expecting help to arrive and stop whoever was behind the wheel. But when officers reached the scene, they were left stunned. The man causing all the chaos was one of their own, a police lieutenant. This wasn't just any officer. It was Lieutenant John A. Chu, a man trusted to lead others, now caught in a shocking and humiliating situation. What unfolded next would expose not just his actions, but a moment that made everyone question whether anyone, no matter their rank, is truly above the law.
What's up, LT?
Hey, LT, how you doing?
How many holding on you driving around?
Erratic driver.
Heading home?
Oh. Hey, I'm sorry to bother you. My mic's live, just so you know, at this point. I mean, my camera. We had an erratic driver call. Lieutenant Chu. Did you see who was... Tell me stand by? Yes. Yep. Do not. Turn it on.
I switched the cameras up.
What did he say? I was behind him. I was behind you. Did you do that? Yes. That's what we gotta do.
Officers were caught in an awkward situation after realizing the erratic driver they stopped was their own lieutenant. You can sense the tension as they radio in, trying to handle the incident with caution while their body cams capture everything. Despite their hesitation, protocol still applies, and the presence of cameras ensures accountability in this uncomfortable encounter.
We're not going to mute our cameras at all or anything. Okay. Absolutely. Yep. All right, see. We're going to have to pull them out. We can't mute our cameras. We can't do anything. Hopefully he's all right. Safety drive that we're just coming in. Come on. Hey, LT. So we had the erratic driver call on you. I just knew she had some observation. We have to handle this like anything else. He's gonna ask you to step out. We already talked to Lieutenant Brioli. All right. He's gonna make sure you're safe to operate the vehicle.
I just drive half a mile.
I understand, but everything's recorded now, sir. You know that. We gotta handle it how we have to handle it. Trust us. We don't want to be put in this position either.
No. I get it.
Can you step out, sir? He's just gonna talk to you. You know how it is. He's gonna ask you some questions, make sure you're all right.
I'm fine. Hands together, feet down at your side. You're gonna raise either leg of your choice. Keep your foot parallel to the ground. And you're gonna count. 1001, 1002, 1003. While you're counting, I want you to look down at your toe. Keep both knees locked out. You understand? You know what?
Hold on, LT. You don't want to complete the test?
No, I don't.
Okay. You don't want to complete the test, sir?
No.
All right. Sir, you know we don't want to be put in this position.
You know what, John? I get it.
You don't have your weapon on you or anything? You don't have any firearms?
No, it's shit.
No, it's stuff I got to ask, sir. Or LT.
Shit, no.
Okay.
No.
All right. Your observations. LT, we're gonna have to bring you in and put you on the box based on the test. You know we don't want to do this. We have to do everything's recorded. You understand that?
No, I get that. I would love to know who called.
You can find that out. You know that. You can find out. I don't know who called. I do not know, but you know you'll be able to find that out.
I'll tell you at this point, our hands are tied. I hope you understand.
I totally get it.
And we don't want to make the situation any worse, sir.
No, listen,
You know?
I
know you're not gonna.
not make it worse.
I understand that. I know you wouldn't. That's what I'm saying. We can get you in the back of the car, get you out of here.
Let me ask you this. Can I have 20 minutes?
Sir, you know we cannot do that. Everything is, sir. Everything's
No,
on
I
camera.
get it. I totally get it.
See, people were starting to drive by. LT, let's get you out of here, okay? Can you come with us?
As officers refuse to turn off their body cams despite requests, they ensure the encounter is fully documented. Lieutenant Chu is finally confronted and fails multiple DUI tests, clearly impaired. The officers handle the situation cautiously, aware of Chu's authority, but ultimately must follow protocol, detaining him while keeping everything recorded for accountability.
Let's go in the back of Mike's car. We'll get you out of here.
You know what?
What's up? I can't let you get in the car. You know that.
Well, then you drive it.
Well, if you have someone on scene, we can get it. I see Mr. Eccles here. We can try to get him to.
Drive my truck home, please.
His keys are in it. We'll handle that. LT, we'll handle that. All right. Do front and search it. Okay. Don't put him in the back. I'm saying you can cuff him in the front. LT, you know you can't do that, sir. We can't have you in the front seat.
I can't have you in the front seat.
We're not going to cuff you in the back, okay? We're going to do it in the front, all right?
You serious?
Yeah, sir. You understand this. You hate being in our position. John, please, John. Please, John. John, please. We'll get you the help you need. Let's just, come on. You know we don't want to do this to you. All right, we gotta get you. We gotta get this process up. People are starting to come. We're all gonna get. You know what? Other people responding out here. Sir, I would like you. This is what's gonna happen. We're gonna get you behind this door so no one sees. Mike's gonna put the cuffs on you in the back.
No, there's no cuffs.
Yeah, what it's do. We have policies and procedures. Let me call the LT. Just you can shut the door for now. We got a couple in the front. We can do it in the front. But we gotta do it. LT, we just talked to Lieutenant Perdoli. We have to, in the front, we'll do it right here. Don't have to do it behind your back. Okay? Please cooperate
John,
with us.
come on.
John, we don't want this to turn into anything more. You know that. We don't want it, but we cannot lose our jobs. You understand, sir? You're my first sergeant. Thank you. I have to get it towed. I have to tow it. Oh, but we've had guys get these before and get back to work, just so you know. I know. I hope so too. It's terrible.
The officer read Lieutenant Chu his Miranda rights, and although footage wasn't available, the report notes that he repeatedly lifted his middle finger at both officers. Chu was eventually arrested for DUI following a call for an erratic driver. His BAC tested at 0.36%, a level considered alcohol poisoning and potentially life-threatening, so he was rushed to the hospital. Shortly after, he was suspended from duty, fired, and fined $700. But if he thought this was the end of corrupt officers getting caught, he was mistaken.